Push harder on the left side, don't stop.
Hidden for decades, the sleeping giant is finally revealed. A testament to nature's relentless reclamation.
Heave!
Look at the strut. It's rusted through. This blueprint is useless now.
We have to try. The crane can hold the weight. We follow the contingency plan.
We built our home right in the heart of hell.
The jungle fought us for every single inch of ground.
To save the bird, we had to clear the cage.
The heat was bad. The bugs were much, much worse.
We needed massive power to wake her up again.
Day or night, the work never actually stopped.
Then, the skies opened up and tried to drown us.
Exhaustion. But the dream kept us moving forward.
Finally, a road. The rescue could truly begin.
30 years of rain had scarred her beautiful skin.
Standing next to her, you realize how small we are.
The cargo doors were sealed shut by time and rust.
Nature doesn't ask for permission. It just moves in.
The audio features a voiceover stating, underneath, it was a dark, oily, dangerous mess.
Her tail stood proud, a monument in the trees. The engines were silent, waiting for a spark. Wiping away the grime revealed a ghost town inside.
Every single sensor was clogged with solid mud.
At night, she looked like a fallen spaceship. Stepping inside felt like walking into a tomb. Row after row, silent seats waited for passengers.
The galley was a rusted monument to the last meal. Small things left behind told the saddest stories. The roof had given way to the rain.
News from a world that moved on without it.
Luxury rots just the same as everything else. The cockpit door stood guard over the plane's brain. The captain's chair was empty, waiting for command. Silent dials frozen in the moment of impact. The heavy cavalry finally punched through the green wall.
We needed a plan to move the immovable object.
Cutting canopy. Let the sun touch her again.
We built a metal cage to heal the bird.
Fuel was more valuable than gold out here.
We brought a high-tech hospital into the wild. The jungle floor tried to swallow our heavy cranes. Power flowed through the site like a heartbeat.
Pay attention to the perimeter. One slip up near the plane and you're done.
One mistake in the jungle costs you everything.
The stage was finally set for the resurrection. One blast of water erased 30 years of jungle. Inch by inch, the white metal began to shine.
Beneath the dirt, her true name was finally revealed.
We covered the beast in foam to dissolve the past. Washing the windows let the light back inside. The engines spun freely for the first time in decades.
The mud didn't want to let go of the gear.
Rain or shine, the washing never stopped.
We cleaned her, rivet by rivet, bolt by bolt.
Halfway done, the ghost was becoming a machine again.
We cracked open the chest to find the heart.
Pressure rising.
Fresh red fluid replaced the old, black sludge. Miles of chewed wires had to be reconnected manually.
Lifting 100 tons in the mud was terrifying. One by one, we gave her new wings. We needed a spark to wake the sleeping giant.
Inside the wings, the air was toxic and tight.
Her muscles were stiff, but finally, they moved. After 30 years, the brain woke up.
We burned the midnight oil to fix the steel.
The sky turned green. Nature was coming for us.
Cover the engines! Move! Move!
In seconds, the site became a drowning, chaotic mess.
The wind ripped our protection away, exposing the heart.
The ground started melting beneath the heavy wheels.
Lightning struck too close. We were sitting on a lightning rod.
Water was leaking directly onto the flight computers.
The power died, leaving us blind in the storm. We hid inside the belly, waiting for dawn.
The sun rose on a wrecked and muddy camp.
She took the beating and stood strong. We keep working.
A fresh white coat to hide the scars of time. We polished the aluminum until it reflected the sky. New glass gave her a clear view of the future. The sharp lines revealed a factory-fresh finish.
She took a deep breath and stood up tall.
One by one, the lights chased away the shadows. A red heartbeat pulsed in the jungle night. The controls responded instantly to the pilot's touch. The lungs of the beast were finally breathing air. She was no longer a wreck. She was a queen.
Fuel flowed into the veins. The moment of truth.
The turbine screamed, hungry for air and fire. A puff of smoke, then the dragon breathed fire. The jungle bowed down to the power of the jet.
The whole ship shook. She was alive again! Was alive again!
Heat waves blurred the line between metal and jungle.
Clear! She's clear! Chalk's removed. Nothing holding her back now.
After decades of waiting, the wheels finally turned.
She left the jungle, heading home to the sky.
The jungle kept the secret. We set it free.